Have you ever wanted to wear a watch that will just make you feel like a successful businessman? Well, why not consider a Citizen Tsuyosa? This one here is the blue dialed NJ0150-81L, a stainless steel 3-hand automatic. Yeah, this one seriously looks like it was made to walk around downtown, closing out deals on the phone before going up to a board meeting. Look, I joke, but this is a lovely looking watch that could work in a lot of situations, but it does lean towards that dressier, classier look. With its classic looks, it won't look out of place in a casual setting or a serious setting, so you can wear this pretty much anywhere. Its stainless steel construction exudes confidence, and that sunburst navy blue dial just pops out at you. Look at the way it's reflecting this light here. A simple, clean-cut handset helps to not only provide easy readability, but a modern and sleek look. With the rest of the dial being so clean, this watch feels more expensive than it is. Picking up a Tsuyosa at retail price is a good deal in of itself, so if you're lucky enough to catch one on sale, consider it a bargain. With a 40mm case size, this one will fit well on most wrists, and with its quality construction, it also feels nice. The automatic movement affords a fairly standard 40-hour power reserve, and if you're anything like me, you'll love watching it tick over through the exhibition caseback. If you're not a huge fan of the navy blue, don't worry. The Tsuyosa range is quite extensive and there's heaps of options. There's a gold tone model with a green dial, there's textured dials, colourful dials, all sorts of options, so click the link in the description to browse the full range. Well, there you go, the Citizen Tsuyosa with the blue dial. What do you think? Would you wear it? Would you buy it? Let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like this video if you liked it, subscribe to the Watch Stepper YouTube channel for more watch content, and I'll catch you in the next one.